So it's been about a year or a year and a half that the world has had AI. Before that, there were a lot of attempts, and they called it machine learning, expert systems, data science, but it didn't do much for an 8-year-old. And now here we have an 8-year-old who, instead of aspiring to become a programmer, he's aspiring to be a product manager because he likes to tell AIs such as Claude or Gemini or ChatGPT, hey, I want this game and I want it to do cool stuff. Mara, what did you ask for this game to do?
Just make a game.
But you told it what you wanted the game to do, right? What did you tell it?
Like just make a game about parkour.
Parkour. And
you have so many tabs. We should delete all these.
Yeah.
Your computer runs so slow then.
Yeah, but look at the code. You asked it to make you a game about parkour, and now you want it to have more spikes, and you want to make it give you money, like virtual money, every time you complete a level. That's cool. And so it's saying, okay, I'm going to change the code, and there it is. It's changing the code. Look, I don't know if you guys are watching this in the future. We're in 2025, and computers are still writing code that looks kind of like English. So this is like JavaScript or Python or something. I don't even know.
Dad, in 5 years, do you think it can make a game in like 5 seconds?
Yeah. Well, no, in 5 seconds, no, but it will be more and more powerful. And what I was saying is that it won't be code. I mean, it won't be English-like code. We won't need these object-oriented languages that are for humans to understand. We'll just go back to zeros and ones and hex and assembler and machine language. Much more efficient for the computer, and humans don't have to understand it anyhow. Because we just do what's called Jive Programming, which kind of means you ask it for stuff and it does it for you. Now, if you're a good Jive programmer, you worry about the database schema first, and you plan it all out carefully, don't you, Marlo?
Yeah.
And do you remember what it's called to explain it really well to a computer? It's
telling it to code.
Yeah. You do something called a product requirements document, right?
Oh.
And that document tells the computer exactly what you want. Look at that. It's amazing. And it did all that with some code that it wrote in about 30 seconds from a prompt that an 8-year-old gave it. And it's telling us all these cool things it invented. Now, I think what's actually happening...
Wait, I'm going to tell it to...
I think that's actually happening is that you ask it for a game, and then it goes on the internet and finds other games, kind of like what you're asking for, and it just like copies all their features. So forget about patent law and copyright. Nothing is safe because it's not really copying your stuff. It's copying like the mashup of everybody's stuff. So no one person can say that they're getting copied. It's just copying the internet ontology, the whole body of knowledge of the internet. It's copying it all at once. Amazing.
What's this?
And this is the state of AI in 2025. And this is me and Marlo. Here we have a guy that's 62 with his son, that's 8. And we're hacking around with AI. And Marlo's writing games. And I'm just kind of like marveling at it, because I also have been coding a lot with AI, doing 3 or 4 apps at the same time. And finally, I don't have to hire developers. Isn't that cool? I don't have to hire 30 people anymore. I just do it myself because I tell it what to do. So...
yeah, it takes a long time.
Well, it takes a lot less time than before. So, and I don't have to pay 30 developers. So let's just say this, guys. This is 2025, and I wish you could tell me, if you're watching this 20 years from now or more, I wish you could tell me what it's like then. Because I'm sure it's going to be radically different than now. But I can send you a message to the future. But unfortunately, even though we have AI, you can't send me a message from the future to the past. And Marlo, we are the past. This is you in the past, Marlo. So that's it.
How do I die?
This was my 5-minute blurb from 2025. Bye bye. I hope you're watching this in 2070.
This is so hard.
Cheers.